Students, we are going to learn pro rata basis allotment. Sometime the company may allot less number of share, those who applied more number of share. The excess share application money not refunded, it will be adjusted in the share allotment. It is called pro rata basis allotment. With the help of this example, we can understand very easily. Listen carefully. Sudha Limited offered 1 lakh shares. Offered means issued. Sudha Limited offered 1 lakh shares of rupees 10 each to the public payable 3 on application, 4 on allotment, balance when required. So here balance when required is given. So we need not to record journal for calls. Yes. So rupees 3 on application, 4 on allotment. We need not to record journal for call. Okay. The company received applications for 1,40,000 shares. Company received applications for 1,40,000 shares. So how many shares excess? 40,000. Okay. For 1,40,000 share, on which the director allotted as follows. The director allotted. So company received 40,000 shares excess share application. Okay. The directors allotted as the applications for 60,000 shares. So those who applied for 60,000 shares, company allotted fully. Those who applied for 60,000 share, company allotted fully. So here we cannot use pro rata basis allotment. Okay. Then second, applications for 75,000 shares got allotment of 40,000 shares. Here very important. Here we can apply pro rata basis allotment. Just now I said pro rata basis allotment means public, that means the applicant, they applied more number of share but company allotted less number of shares. Here see, application for 75,000 shares, company allotted 40,000. So for 75,000 shares, company allotted 40,000 shares. So the difference how much? 35,000 share application money can be adjusted in the share allotment. So here we can use pro rata basis allotment. Yes. Next, third one. Application for 5,000 shares got no share is allotted. Application for 5,000 share, no share, even single share is allotted. So here also we cannot apply what pro rata basis allotment. So for 60,000 share got full allotment. So there we cannot use pro rata basis allotment. Those who applied for 75,000 share, company allotted 40,000 shares. So here excess application 35,000 we can adjust in share allotment. Those who applied for 5,000 share, no share is allotted. So for them we have to refund the money. Yes. So excess 40,000 rupees excess, of which 35,000 taken to the allotment, 5,000 share application money to be refunded. All money due was received past journal up to the receipt of allotment. Up to the receipt of allotment. Let me see the problem. Yes. We are going to record journal. Bank account debtor to share application. Bank account data to share application. We received 1,40,000 share application money. On application, company collecting 3 rupees. So total collection 4,20,000. Narration: share application money received. Next, the share application money should be transferred to share capital account. How much we can transfer? We can transfer only issued share, 3 lakh. Share application money transferred to share capital account. Now we have problem with that 40,000. What we learned out of this problem? For applicants of 75,000 shares, company allotted 40. So how many shares money, share application money utilized for share allotment? 35,000. Application for 5,000 share, company nothing is allotted. So 5,000 share rejected and refunded. 35,000 share application money taken to the allotment. Yes. Now we are going to record journal for refund. share application account debtor to bank 5,000 into 3, 15,000. 15,000 share, 5,000 share application money refunded. 5,000 share application money refunded. Then 35,000 share application money, 35,000 share application money transferred to the share allotment. So 35,000 into 3, 1,05,000. Narration: 35,000 share application money excess adjusted in share allotment. Okay, we received 1,40,000. We can transfer issued share money to the capital. Excess how much? 40, of which for 5,000 share, those who applied for 5,000 share, nothing allotted, so that should be refunded. Here company allotted 40,000 share, those who applied for 75,000. Here 35,000 share excess application money adjusted towards the share allotment. After that we have to record journal for share allotment. Entry is share allotment account debtor to share capital. How much? 1 lakh. Share allotment value how much? 4 rupees. 4 lakh. Share allotment made. Share allotment made. Then we are going to receive share allotment money. Journal for that, bank account debtor to share allotment. How much we have to collect? 1 lakh into 4. We supposed to collect 4 lakh rupees, of which already we collected how much? 1,05,000. Already we collected 1,05,000. So balance 2,95,000 we can collect here. Share allotment money received. Okay students, very simple. Company issued 1 lakh share, public applied 1,40,000. Excess 40,000, of which 5,000 share rejected and refunded. Balance 35,000 shares also rejected, but money not refunded, taken to the allotment. When it is possible? When company allot less number of share, those who applied more number of share. Thank you.